Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Tally remotes. First, let's understand the core components involved in a typical Tally system. You will need a Tally controller, your camera or video switcher, and the remote Tally lights themselves. It's crucial to identify the correct cables, often a multi-pin connector or an Ethernet cable, depending on your specific equipment. Always remember to power down all devices before making any physical connections to prevent damage. Now, let's make the physical connections. Begin by connecting your Tally controller to your video switcher, typically using a D-sub or Ethernet cable. Next, attach the individual Tally lights to their respective cameras or monitors. Ensure each light corresponds to the correct camera input on your switcher. Using the right cable lengths is important. Avoid excessively long runs that could degrade the signal, especially for analog Tally systems. With the physical connections made, it's time for configuration and testing. Power on all your equipment, starting with the Tally controller. Navigate to its configuration menu to assign each Tally light to its correct camera or input number. This ensures that when camera 1 is live, only its Tally light illuminates. Thoroughly test each camera's program and preview Tally states to confirm everything is working as expected. Even with careful setup, you might encounter issues. First, double-check all cable connections to ensure they are firmly seated and not damaged. Next, confirm that all Tally system components are receiving adequate power. Often, incorrect assignments in the Tally controller's software are the culprit, so review those settings carefully. If problems persist, consult your equipment manuals. They often contain specific troubleshooting steps for your particular model. Patience is key.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.